Ooh, yeah, here we go. So today, guys, we're doing a major unboxing. I got a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah, there's a couple sponsorships on this one. So we'll break out the sponsor first. They sent it to me Amazon Prime. Check this out. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. So this is a jump starter. I will link the description of this item below, but very useful to have. I had an old jump starter that was this one right here. I got it from like O'Reilly's or something like that. That thing sucks. So that thing no longer holds a charge. So we'll be messing with this one here because when I'm wrapping people's cars, I'm always taking the door handles off like that, right? So when you take the doors handles off, sometimes the doors don't shut all the way and you have to kind of just leave the car with the door open because the lock's been disassembled. So the car will just die and it won't start. Or on my VR4, I have lots of LED lights, as you guys all know, and I'm trying to out here stunt. I'm out here trying to stunt for the shows, and that's really helpful because sometimes all those LEDs drain my battery. So it's always nice to have a portable jump starter that's not too big. So you guys can get this with the discount code Paradox001. I'll leave the discount code and the items on where you can get this. Ships directly from Amazon, 2 days, gets right to you. Okay, cop one. It comes into this nice case right here. Very portable, very easy to use. So that's gonna be awesome. Now I can not have to worry about cars not starting on me and having to like pull up one of my cars to charge it. But let's check out this other stuff here. So GoPro is not sponsoring me. I wish they would, but I just got a whole GoPro kit. So now you guys can get to see some GoPro action. Look at that. Ooh, sick. And we'll do some more like action content when my whole GoPro kit with like everything that mounts to that comes in. What we have over here on all this stuff is splitters and lips, guys. Splitters and lips. Okay, so we're gonna open this box up and I'm gonna show you why splitters and lips are important. Yes. Woo, there it is. Okay, so this, ladies and gentlemen, is the splitter that is on my VR4. And then I also got another splitter. I'm gonna test it on a couple of the cars. The goal for this episode is to get splitters and lips on let's put this out the way. Okay. Get splitters and lips onto 2 of my cars. So I already kind of mocked up which one, so I have an idea where these are going. But this one looks like this. Thanks to Mike. He showed me where to get these. These are a secret. I can't tell you guys where I got these from. So yeah, but these I picked off of some guys. You guys remember? It used to go on the 240. So for this episode, we're gonna strap that up with splitters and lips, and we're gonna strap that up as well. So I think the black accent with the purple is gonna look really good, and then the black accent with the red is gonna look really good as well. Woohoo! Shit! Damn! Look at that. Yo, that's stunting right there. Holy shit. Double the lip, double the fun, guys. Double mint gum. Check this out. That looks so good. Damn. God. Oh. That's money right there. Don't even ask me where I get this lip. It's a secret. You guys just gotta have to figure it out. Sometimes you just gotta keep that sauce. Back here, this is thinner than I like it to be, but I'm gonna order another set of side splitters, so I'm just gonna run this for now. Like I said, we're gonna use those ones. Sheesh. Okay. Damn. Check it out. Yo, that Home Depot paint, that is the bomb diggity right there. Super cleaned up. Yeah, I painted the valve stem too because why not? It's a white wheel. Look at that. Hot diggity damn. Just a little bit of sanding and some controlled paint work. Looking slick. Okay, we're almost done. Just 2 more wheels left to go. And then this will be all set. I still have to build that fin thing, but I just want to show you guys what the wheels look like. That's done. Look at that. Slick. That Home Depot paint, bro. Dang. Clean. I didn't get to do my brakes. I ran out of primer. So they're going to stay shiny like that for now. I kind of like it. We might run that like that instead of making it gold like all my other ones. But here you can see the old wheels. It's kind of like an off-white cream. And of course I sanded down all the scratches. So yeah, look at the difference. Right? Okay, right here. More wrap has arrived from my manufacturer. We'll have a little sneak peek, okay? So here we got my own line of 6 carbon fiber. So apparently the more D's you have, the higher the D, the more lifelike the carbon fiber. So you guys already saw me post 5D. I'll post this 6D right here. You can kind of get up close and personal on this thing. There we go. So very realistic and wet carbon. Exactly what I like. Whoa. Okay. Here we got a box. Ooh. More gray with the blue tint. Nardo gray with the blue tint color shifting. Whole roll. We're doing another car in this. You guys love this one. Thank you all so much for ordering this one. Hot off the press, and they even improved the quality of the material compared to when I first did it. So this should be even better. Okay, so check it out. And this is the new wrap for the 240. I'm gonna finish this off and show you what the final product looks like, and we'll end the video there. Hot chip. Hot chip. Oh, stop it. You're not a cow. Stop eating grass. Oh, you're a bad boy. Look at him. He's just out here mowing the lawn, getting fat. Look, he's getting big. Getting big. War pig. War pig in the making. Stop eating grass, guy. There you go, and this is the MR2 with the splitter and the side splitters all installed. those are looking sick. So these work better because they sit kind of lower, and I like that. Maybe that one's drooping a little bit. I'll bring it up some, but because these Bombex side skirts kind of do that weird arch thing, yeah, these help improve the lowered look of it. What do you guys think? Okay, there you go. This spot's always awesome because the lighting is amazing. Dang, look at that. Yeah, I think the other side is drooping a little bit. The other side is supposed to sit like this. And I think my screw came off. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, the screw came off. So it's supposed to sit like this. So I'll fix that when I get home. But you guys get the idea. Okay. Man, that red just looks so great. I just can't change it. I kind of want another color on this one, but it's just so hard to make a decision. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in and staying with all the random stuff that I'm doing. So let me know what you guys think about the side splitters and the front splitters. These are really, really awesome, and you should hunt for one. If you have one of these cars you've modded out, you don't have to get that low to get the lower look. Okay, that's why this is important. If you get a side splitter and you put stuff on there and you put a front splitter on there, it will make your car look really low when it's actually not. So you don't have driving issues or anything like that. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.